Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw BATTAXE from the Heroes of GOO JIT ZU. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go down and then up like this. And then right over here, I'm going to do that same thing, and I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes down and then up like this for like a check mark. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes over and then up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then it's going to kind of curve up so it's a little bit bigger. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down and then back up for the nose. And then right inside of here, I'm just going to add a little oval shape for the pupil. Now, starting over here for the mouth, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up, and that's just going to kind of curve to here and then go down. And then I'm just going to bring it up and then down like this. Then I'm going to add a small little bump in here for the tongue. And I'm going to make a line that goes down and up, a line that goes over, and then one more kind of triangle shape for the teeth. And then I'm just going to color in the inside part of the mouth right here. Now, for the head, I'm going to start by drawing a little line right here that just kind of goes out, and then it's going to come back in. Same thing over here, out, and then comes back in. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go down, and then it's just going to connect straight across. Kind of looks like a little piece of toast. Then I'm going to just continue this line up, and it's going to go down like this a little bit, then up and down like this, and then one more up and then down right here. Now for the ears, I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then it's going to kind of go out, and then it's just going to kind of curve in. Same thing here, just go up, and then it's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve in. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes up. It's going to just kind of curve around, do that same thing for the inside part of the ear. Now, for the body. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up here. And then another little line that's just going to curve right to here for the arms. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and then it's going to kind of curve up, and then up and down again. I'm going to make a little bump right here that goes up and down, and then I'm going to make that same shape, curve up, come to a point, come down, and then curve back over. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve back. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here for the thumb. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around for a finger. One here, and then one more right there. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes in. And then I'm just going to draw a line that curves down here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then it's just going to connect right across. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes around and comes up. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then same thing over here. I'm going to make a little line that goes out. And then it's just going to curve around, and we're going to come right up to here. Same thing here, just kind of curve down, go over, and then just kind of curve right up to here. I'm going to draw a little line that goes down here and then a little line that goes here. And then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines down here for the toes. And then I'm also going to add a little line right here for like a little scar. Now, we want to add a few more details onto the arms. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and comes in, and another one that goes down and comes up. Do the same thing here, go down and up, and then one more that goes out and then comes back in. Then I'm just going to kind of connect these with some curved lines, just so it kind of almost looks like some webbing almost. Kind of like something you'd see on like a duck foot or something, or kind of like a fin of a fish. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bat Axe from the Heroes of GOO Jit Zu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.